Alright, I think we're good. Or at least I freaking hope so. Let me make sure the ship is out of the way. We're good on that. I probably should build this one. I just wanted to make sure that in case this thing does move around a little bit, I had a little bit more resources in these blocks so they'd be a little bit stronger. Yeah, let's go ahead. Screw it. Just to make... I'm kind of scared at the moment, to be honest with you. So I think that should be good enough. Alright, now let's go ahead and... get some power. Oh no, I can go ahead and get in this seat over here. Alright, so what we need to do is go ahead, save. Save, yes. And hit number... Oh, we need to make sure that all the welders are on as well. So, weld. I think that's one to the ship. Not sure. Anyways, we'll just go ahead and turn them all on anyways. Alright, we're good. So, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Get in the seat. Can't see shit. Okay, maybe let's not get in the seat. Oh, the lag. Yeah, one issue that you're gonna have when you're trying to do something like this, it looks like... yeah. It looks like the blocks are not building, but they are. See? They just take a minute to spawn in. So what we'll go ahead... Ah, shit, this is not gonna work. Yeah, the lag and everything. They won't build because of the lag. So what we'll go ahead and do is we'll stop all the timers. And I might have to do this shit by hand. No, we'll just shut them off. That will keep it from going through the cycle. And then I could go ahead and get the construction ship up here and finish it. We don't have that far to go, man. But yeah, this is why I couldn't do this on the Earth-like planet. Because once you get to a certain block count, this is what happens. Stuff just will not build. Also, I think they might have screwed that up to where we can't do that anymore, even if it is a new grid. I hope not. So let's do this real quick. Let's shut off the welders. Off. And if they put it to where it doesn't work like this anymore, we should be able to fly through that block. Nope, it's solid. So it's just because of the frame rates. That's it. It just will not build because of the frames. So it looks like we're pretty much stuck. I have to go ahead and finish the rest of it by hand. We don't have that far to go. I mean, the end is right there. This won't take me very long. I'll go ahead and get the construction ship. We'll get all this done. I'll just get those welders out of the way. But yeah, I'll go ahead and get the construction ship and we'll get this finished. Alright, well, that just happened. Holy shit. Alright, so what happened? Well, I got rid of a piece of landing gear. Just one. Just one landing gear, and bam. And it's still coming down. And I had it, too. I did all that by hand. I built all of this by hand and I actually made it. Now, fuck. And I forgot to save. Just... Fuck this shit. Alright. We need to go back to an older save. Alright, so this time we're gonna save. So I had to get rid of the inchworm. It was causing the trouble. What was happening was the landing gear was kind of pushing on it while the inchworm was pulling on the bottom, so it was causing the whole thing to wiggle. It was messed up. But everything is stable now. Everything is stable now. Everything is built. We are now outside of the gravity field. No gravity. So I've done it. Finally done it. I can't even remember how long we've been working on this. I think it's been 2 years. When I first started, I started on the Earth-like planet. Now we've done it on the moon and it works. Now all we need to do is build a station at the top. But here comes the worst part. We need to merge all of the... Oh shit, I forgot to put the merge blocks in. Damn it. Alright, let me go ahead and do that real quick. That's right. That's what I was trying to do. I was trying to get the merge blocks in and couldn't because there wasn't enough space. So yeah, I tried to get a merge block in there, but there wasn't enough space between that merge block and the merge block there. So that's why I wanted to get rid of the landing gear so I could put them on pistons, not realizing that kind of just destroys the whole thing. I love being an engineer. It's just so awesome. But yeah, what I need to do is I need to go ahead and get all of the merge blocks on the other sides. I think I might be able to grind in there. Let me see. Without getting the connector, maybe. Now I'm gonna have to do this one.
Inventory full.
And that one. Oops. Can you please?
Inventory full.
God damn it. What did I do with my construction ship? But anyways, I should be able to put the merge blocks in there now since everything is on pistons. But let me go ahead and get that done and we'll be right back. Alright, so I was able to get all the merge blocks. But I had to get rid of the connectors. With the connectors on it, it wasn't allowing me to lift up the pillar just enough to get the merge blocks in. But once I got rid of all the connectors, we were fine. So what we need to do now is lower each pillar. And that's when the game is going to shit. It's also where we separate the men from the boys. Alright, let's go ahead and save. And see what's going to happen. Ooh, so the only thing we have to do now is lower one piston. Yeah? Yeah. Okay, we got it saved. Oh, I'm not looking forward to this. But let's go ahead and do this. All we need to do is reverse this one and see what happens. Oh, shit. The game did not even take a shit. Wow. Okay, let's try one more. Let's see what happens. And reverse. Oh, shit. No, don't tell me, don't tell me, don't tell me. Yep. God damn it. The game won't let us do it. Because since I'm trying to connect this to the same grid, it's not going to let me do it. Oh, I hate this fucking game. So yeah, it looks like the space tether is a bust. That really does kind of suck. So yeah, it connects, but the whole thing, because you're adding to the grid, yep, they changed it. Used to be before we were able to do this, but now, yeah, the only problem was the reason I couldn't finish is once you get past a certain point, it becomes so laggy that you can't build anything, just like we had that problem earlier where it wasn't letting me build. Now they changed it to where anything that you add to a grid, even if it's with merge blocks, it's now gonna be complete, no collision at all. So the thing is I will not be able to connect a station or anything up to it. Also, the other problem that we're going to have is now I won't be able to delete any of it. Watch what happens if I go to a spot. Let's go ahead and let me go into creative and we'll check this out. I know this episode is going to be long. Screw it, I don't care. So if we go ahead and delete this whole thing. Oh, shit, the merge block connected it. That's alright. Where can we actually... Yep, right where the merge blocks were. It's saying nope. Alright, let me try to exit out of the game and then come back in and see if maybe that fixes it. We'll try everything. Alright, we're back in. Let's see what happens. Can I still fly through it? Yes, I can. Well, fuck you, game. And I'm hitting F6, so everybody knows I'm not like spectator or anything. All that work for nothing. Oh, God, I just love it. And, alright, now let's go ahead. We'll get rid of... let me find a spot that it will let me delete stuff right here. Alright, the rest of this is invisible. Okay. So we need to go down to this level. Yeah, see, that's the problem that we're going to have is I'm going to have trouble deleting everything. There we go. So I kind of have to do that on every single one. We'll just delete it where the merge blocks are. We're only 138 meters, which means gravity is going to be pretty damn low anyways. So I guess our space tether kinda, but not really works. Son of a bitch. Alright, let's delete that. God damn it. Well, at least now we can close that chapter. We know you just can't do it. Before, you used to be able to. If you did it in creative, you wouldn't be able to finish it in survival. That's just the way it is. Creative, you could. So all those YouTubers you've seen doing space tethers, like from the Earth-like planet, they cheated. They didn't really actually do it. Now, if I only did one pillar, I would have been able to finish this. But because I got 4, it didn't work out so well. But that's alright. We got it as high as it's gonna go. Anyways, next episode, now that we got that done, what we need to do is we need to figure out a way of connecting this to a station, which means I might have to get rid of some blocks so that way I can connect something to it. I need connectors and stuff on it. So yeah, we'll get some connectors and everything else so we can dock up ships. Probably just make another ring up here and just call it that and just say that's it, I'm done. But this really does piss me off. All that work for nothing. It's alright. At least now we know. But anyways, so yeah, next episode we have a lot of work to do. We're gonna go ahead and start. I cannot delete that. No, I cannot delete that. Nope, it will not let me delete it. But it will let me delete those? What the f... Anyways, so yeah, we have a whole lot of work to do. Next episode, we need to go ahead and start working on space. Finding resources, stuff like that, building ships. We're gonna need cargo ships and a lot of other stuff, but we'll worry about that in the next episode. Until then, make sure to like and subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.